In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create double exposure poster in Canva, 5 minutes. First, open Canva and log in so you can save your work. If you're new to Canva, a free account works, but some features like the background remover may require a pro plan or a trial. Once you're in, create a new project. A poster size canvas is a great starting point, but you can pick any size you prefer for your final design. Next, upload or select a strong portrait image and place it in the center of your canvas. Portraits with clear edges and good lighting work best for this effect. Try a side profile or a front-facing shot with good contrast against the background. It makes the blending look cleaner. Now remove the background from your portrait. In Canva, select the image, choose Edit Photo, then Background Remover. If the edges aren't perfect, use the Erase and Restore brushes to tidy up hair or fine details. When you're happy with the cutout, download the portrait as a PNG with a transparent background. This step is important because the transparency will let your second image show through later. On a new page in the same project, insert the image you want to blend into the portrait. This could be a landscape, city skyline, forest, or any texture that matches your theme. Make it large enough to fill the canvas so you have room to position elements. Upload your portrait PNG and place it on top of that background image. Resize and position it thoughtfully. Try aligning the background's most interesting elements where you want them to appear inside the silhouette, like trees filling the hair or buildings within the torso. Now go to Apps in the left panel and select the Blend Images tool. This app lets you merge two images with creative blending modes. Set up both images, select your background photo as the base and your portrait as the top image. Choose Screen as the blend mode. Screen brightens and reveals the underlying image through the lighter parts of the portrait, creating that classic double exposure look. Adjust the scale, position, and intensity until the balance feels right. Then click Add to Design to place the blended result onto your canvas. You now have a double exposure effect. From here, you can fine-tune with adjustments like brightness, contrast, or color grading, add text or overlays for a poster vibe, and export your final design when it's ready. Keep experimenting with different photos and compositions. The more you play, the more striking your results will be.